would say that you all are having equal potential. You can do whatever you want. The only thing is that keep yourself from inside that yes, I can do it, I will do it, and no one can stop you. You are unstoppable. Believe me, it's true. God.
One day you will be successful. All the best.
Congratulations. Welcome to APIIT once again, and I hope you will enjoy this event. And we are also excited to meet you once again. Thank you.
Sir.
Congratulations and
और बैक इधर फेस करना आप ये बात इधर फेस करना स्कैम में देखना मेरा सिर्फ मुड़ के
So I would like to congratulate you and wish you very
वो स्माइल करना
success
जल्दी
in
से
upcoming years of life.
ठीक है देखो
Finally, I
सामने
would like to say that I wish you good luck and better future, and I wish you that you should hear God bless you.
You guys again. So please, in the meanwhile, I think we should utilize the time by interacting. Don't you think so? So anyone wants to share any moment, the challenges that you face once you are out of APIIT. Because I've been always talking to my students that you are in an umbrella, a family of APIIT, where you'll be always taken care of. But what was your experience once you were out of APIIT? Anyone who wants to share with us any such experience, which might be eye-opening for us as well, so that we can want to share any challenge in life that they have faced so far? No one? I'm still looking for some. Okay, thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Tarun Sharma, you must be knowing. So, okay, here I think everyone from every branch is here, I guess. So for my juniors, it's an advice to all of you that the best thing you are gonna get from our college is the professionalism. Keep that in with you, and that will surely help you in the corporate world. Second thing is, I think the college is now affiliated to Kurukshetra University. So the academic pattern is totally different from what you will have to do at your job time. So ask your seniors also, discuss with them, because the pattern from what we have learned is which is going to be in the IT world. So be in touch with that also and focus on the theoretical portion also. And for my batchmates, all the best to all of you, and for my senior, happy birthday.
I think everyone should wish him. Make a happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Well, I am Sahil, and I graduated in 2013, and I graduated from multimedia basically. So about experience, one thing Appet has taught me is the communication skills basically. Like I'm today in a client servicing industry. So basically this industry needs, what all needs is your soft skills and your understanding, like how you understand how you deal with people. So this is what you only get to learn in APIIT. I've seen, I have friends in my, I had friends in different colleges as well. So even they people miss these things basically, these skills. So this has been a great experience, like studying in Appet. So it was wonderful.
We have Anchita on the mic.
Hello guys. The most important thing which I would like to convey my juniors is, please choose the area of your interest, being in a fashion world, being in a dancing or anything. If you don't like coding, don't go in it. And like if your parents say, why did you get engineering or whatever, but please be in the area whatever you like, because this is the stage which is I'm facing right now. I really don't have interest in coding part. That's why I'm changing my field. So I will definitely advise to all of you to please choose your field, choose the area of interest. Thank you.
She's just trying to defend herself. पहले पढ़ती नहीं थी, अब खुद को ये सब बोलना पड़े. And for everyone, please be in touch. Love you all.
Yeah, for everyone, this is very important. You be in touch. Be in touch with the institute so that we can know where you're going and we're moving up the ladder of